This is how to find your Trust Wallet secret phrase. So for you to access your Trust Wallet recovery phrase, you come to this place, this main wallet. You can have multiple wallets here. You just tap it. You see list of Trust Wallet you have here. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4. You tap this. You can see secret phrase backups. You tap here, manual. You can see for your eye only. This secret phrase unlocks your wallet. So you just tap it. Tap the first one to indicate that you've read it. Trust Wallet does not have access to this key. You tap the second one. Look at this instruction, it's very important. Never save your secret phrase on digital format. Don't send it to yourself on email, it can be intercepted by the scammers. Don't write it on notepad on your computer. Don't save it in your cloud, it's not safe. Then never show it to anyone. Ensure you have a notebook or paper. You write it there and keep it where you can never lose it or where it will not be damaged. So with that, you just tap continue. When you tap continue, you see your secret phrase listed and you just copy them one by one for your backup. I have an advice for you. This is my top recommended hardware wallet that you can start using right now. OneKey just sent this to me for review, which I've done. It's the best way to secure and keep your cryptos and token offline. You see the link below the description of this video. You have 10% discount if you use my code, which is ASKJOFA, and you see the link of the video review and unboxing I did of step-by-step of how to use this wallet to secure and safeguard your token. Ensure you keep your tokens and crypto assets using strong hardware wallet of your choice. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.